It's all the rubbish in there. There's one thing I can't stand, it's people leaving rubbish in the countryside. Absolutely no need for that. I'm not going to talk about that today. Could do. I could go on quite a while about that. I think most people will be in agreement that photography is just completely oversaturated, and it is so accessible that you don't even need a decent camera. And to be honest, smartphone cameras are just getting so good, you know, I mean, it's not even an issue, and especially if it's like social media. People just want to see, you know, just see a nice image. They don't care about the technicalities of it. Don't care about the photographer necessarily, and they want to move on. I mean, it's easier for people to get into it and share their photos, and it's also so oversaturated. But also, I think photography vlogging starts to become oversaturated as well. And I can't remember the last time I actually watched a vlog, or at least watched one and was excited about it. And even like people who make, you know, really good content. I mean, I'm thinking the likes of like Thomas Heaton. I love all his work. I love his videos, but I haven't actually watched a photography vlog of his in I don't know, months. People like Peter McKinnon, who again is another favourite of mine, and I've been watching Peter McKinnon's stuff since he had only a couple of thousand subs on YouTube. I don't mean this in a sort of detrimental way. I'm not saying anybody's making bad content. I'm just bored of looking at it. I don't know why. I'm not interested in watching vlogs at the moment, and I scroll through Facebook and Instagram, and all the pictures that come up, they're all just the same. I'm just really bored of everything. I'm not bored of shooting, not bored of making content myself. And again, I'm not saying anybody's making bad content. I'm certainly not saying that mine's better than anybody else's. I think there's just, no matter how good something is, there's only so much of it that you can sort of digest. I'm a beer drinker. I could happily drink a lot of beer, but at some point in the night I realise I've had too much, and it starts to make me feel ill. It starts to put me to sleep, and then what happens, of course, you wake up the next day with a hangover. Maybe this is it. Maybe I've got a photography hangover at the moment. So somehow I need to find the equivalent of a bacon sarnie. Maybe the solution is just to stop moaning about it, or, you know, don't even worry about it. Try and make content that I think I maybe wouldn't be bored with. Even a lot of my stuff, I think, if it was someone else, I wouldn't be bothered. I wouldn't be interested. There we go. There's my answer then. I've worked it through myself. I just need to make some interesting content. Something that's gonna capture my own attention somehow. That rock looks like a big whale. I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Like I say, I think everyone knows just photography generally is just oversaturated, but it's the whole thing. It's not just photography, it's vlogs, and everyone's pictures look the same, and I don't know. But yeah, let me know your thoughts below. So what's the point of this video? What am I trying to say? Am I offering any answers? No, I don't think so, no. And I've got to keep stressing, it's not that anything's bad, or that I'm bad. I'm certainly not better at all. Maybe I need to focus on making my own content as interesting as I can. Maybe that's it, maybe that's the key.